Hey, what is happening? What is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Make sure that if you enjoy the video, you subscribe. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cinematic, moody scene in Blender. So it's easy. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, I'm going to delete this and enable this. Alright, now I left the link to our window model in the description, so make sure that you download it if you want to use it, or just download any one you want. But let's get into it. So first thing, Shift A, Mesh, Plane, S, scale it up, something like that. That's good. Okay, now let's go to File, import our window model. Make sure that you find it wherever you saved it. Mine is here. Okay, then S to scale. Then go to camera view. Scale it some more. G, and then bring it something like that. Then go Shift D to duplicate it. Another one over there. Okay. You can always just move it around if you want. But yeah, that should be good. Okay, next thing, click on the plane, then go Shift D and then RX 90. Okay, go Z, then go G, bring this something like that. Alright, now let's go back to camera view. What we can do is just shift the camera up. So Y, and then just bring this something like that. You can obviously play around with it to something that you like. Okay, next thing is click on the plane, so this one, and click tab, right click, subdivide, go here and subdivide it about 80 times. Okay, then go to add a face select, zoom in, and then just select all of those. And then go delete faces, same thing here. Okay, that might be a bit big, so then go Shift, just select all of these. Okay, and then go delete faces, and then click on there. Okay, perfect. Now go to tab, back to camera view, select this one, then go Shift, then just bring it down. Okay, one is a little bit bigger than the other, but it's not an issue. Okay, next thing, let's bring in a model. So you can bring in a chair, you can bring in a human, you can bring in anything you want. But I'm going to use a man. So import, and then G, just bring him something like that. Go to Z, select him, go G, bring him forward, go back here, and then go to rotate, and just rotate him something like that, and then G, however you want. You know, you can just play around with it. Okay, next thing, let's go here. And let's go Shift A and add a cube. S, scale it up. Something like that. Just so it covers the whole scene. Okay, so you can see like that. Alright. Go into it. Select the cube. Go to shading. Go here. Click new. Click on the principal BSDF and delete it. Shift A, add a principal volume, plug the volume to the volume, and go to density, just 0.1. Okay, then what you can do is hide this for now, so we can work. Now, next thing is go Shift A, go to light, add a point light, Go here, zoom in, then go G, bring this up, then G, bring it to somewhere like that, camera, G, bring this to there, so it's there, then go Shift D, bring this one there. Okay, so we've got two lights over here. Now make this like 400, same as this one, and change the color. It's like a blue. This one, same. Now let's have a look. Okay, it's a bit bright, so let's go to the world over here, click on color, bring this all the way down, bring this cube back, and then you can see it's looking pretty good. Make sure that you're in circles, and then what I'm going to do is you can get any kind of texture you want. Material for the floor, I'm just going to use simple wood one from Ducky. So there we go, zoom in, and then I'm just going to adjust the scale to make it a bit better, and then that's your scene. Okay, what you can also do, go to the point light, and you can change one to be like orange, one to be a blue, or you can make them both orange. You can literally play around so that you can add more density. You can do whatever you want. This is a quick scene, and yeah, thought I'd show you how to make it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one.